This message is for Sir Ateze. Sir, we hear what you said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out, that Tinubu will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every day by day, our Igbo politicians, they are telling us that they will go and tell Tinubu to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Every day, they are saying the same thing. Sir Ateze, Biko, I'm expecting you to come out public and tell us, as you talk now, you could go meet them, make him release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are expecting you to come out and tell us, look at what Tinubu says. Now what we are expecting you to tell us. Soludo, kedi he Tinubu kulu. Hopus Odema, kedi he Tinubu kulu. Peter Mba, kedi he Tinubu kulu. Alex, kedi he Tinubu kulu. Francis, kedi he Tinubu kulu. Every day by day, I got what Tinubu, indoor meeting. Ohanes and Igbo. Mbono kwasi Tinubu, ya release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, kedi ho kulu. Osno ye release here, Osno get release here. Tell us, let us know. We want to know. Every day, ona be na public. Na agwa na ona ga Tinubu, ona go tell Tinubu, make Tinubu release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, as soon as don't tell Tinubu, waiting Tinubu talk. Make una tell us waiting Tinubu talk. We want to hear. We want to hear waiting Tinubu talk. All the Igbo politicians, if you are Igbo politicians and you want to come out and do campaign, make una stop using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to do campaign. Because when I go to talk, say, well, I will go and tell federal government to release them. I will go, I will tell. After everything, we not hear from you again. Please, who knows this thing how confused. If you want to do campaign on your own. If you want to do campaign on your own. Make una know they use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to deceive us. Yes, Igbo politicians. Make una know they use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to deceive us. I go tell Tinubu, we are working on it. He will come out. And how many years now he will come out? Make una know they use them to deceive us. If you want to do campaign on your own. Because I'm very sure that if all the Igbo politicians we have one mind, tell federal government of Nigeria, tell the Britain that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, under 24 hours they will release him. But they don't understand what two people are doing. Even our Eastern governor, some of them, they will come out public, they will say, Nnamdi Kanu, we want Nnamdi Kanu to come out. But when they will come in the secret, they will not say the same thing, they will say another thing. So make una stop using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to deceive us. Because if all our Eastern governors, these 5 state governors, if they say they want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out, I want to have question. What federal government of Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Tell the Britain to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Under 24 hours, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out. But I don't understand what is happening to Igbo politicians. I don't understand what is happening to Igbo politicians. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what thing happened? We say the way Nigeria they persecute Igbo is no good. That is why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stand up talking about Biafra. If you say everything, I'm very, very happy for Governor Soludo. I will every day. I am not dragging her online. Let's place the Mahame Hedoma. So look at it here. As I'm talking to you now, look at this guy here. When I don't see him here. If I want to save life, if I soludo to wait if I now, all the nature, don't know we, don't have different markets. All the different markets in Anambra State. If I do it if I to save life. Yes. Now, Obune na this place. Akwe River. Ifa. Soludo boy Tilifa, Governor Soludo, and Egana Newi, Ega for this thing now. Egakwana on nature. Ega some many different markets in Anambra State. Here we have Soludo Chile. Ochili around all the markets Nina. Ochili Wega straight. Now let me tell you there is no G25. Because only on us Soludo are law, the man on yang. In fact, if I don't a man on yang problem. Now let me tell you something. If I soludo to this thing now, now all the market is Nina. But because of sometimes no more than have hands of an abdomen load like this. Abba now main load, Abba now main load. Abba bukrota. So people behind up of the Abba. And don't want the motors doing mistake, was dent or boom people. So and the Otagaka government in our Sindamad Nahana be inside, Manahadi. So I better salute Abia. Well, let's listen. You want to live to save life. If you wait 25 for now to save life of people, I will show you all of them now. You want to live for now. to save life. Ekwu government me head ma abia kene ya ni ihe medo mma. The day free if after that do empty because today we sit at home. So no one never the thing ever. Look at it here. Look at it. Nobody has ever helped on a main load like this. Hana was half on a main load. But Soludo to the effort to save the life of people. Look at it. Look at it. All the down, we can the border Adromo. All the corner down that place. Don't want this side. Don't want this side. Able to like a major Bagamuda place. When I just want to stand here to do this video. So if hold it 5 from now. If you Soludo is waiting this thing, to save people is on Madendo, is on the money. To save people's life. Because sometimes ihe mbelede me no polozo. On abata as ihe mbelede me na melod sometimes. On make people affect. Ndo na mekala affect bu ndo bosari ihe na main load. On na menda affect. So decide is kolo ifa. Always ifa now ndo mara na no inside. People will be staying inside. So do the trial of movement.